Now I would like to request one of the most senior British Kashmiri diaspora politician, as well as one of our role model, Ajeeb sir. Mr. Mohmmed Ajeeb is one of the first Lord Mayor of the Asian and Kashmiri heritage in the United Kingdom, who has set an example in civic service and in political life, and then many more have the opportunities and the door he has opened for many more politicians then led to the members of the parliament from the Kashmiri heritage. I would like to ask him to share with his journey, which we are now taking forward through this British Kashmiri diaspora. Mr. Mohmmed Ajeeb.
Thank you very much for this kind introduction. Can I first of all thank very sincerely Simon Danczuk from Rochdale for giving his most valuable time to come and be with us this afternoon. As we all know that these days are overwhelmingly very busy indeed for all the members of Parliament, because after about 3-4 weeks there is going to be election, and in order to be ready to spare some time, I think it's difficult to do that. Thank you very much indeed. I have been in this country for more than half a century, and during all these years, one way or the other, the British Kashmiris have tried to influence the ultimate solution to this perpetual conflict which has been going on first between India and Pakistan since 1947-48, and then obviously the most important partner in this whole sort of process having the Kashmiris themselves on both sides of the borders. And in all these years, as we know that they have sacrificed their lives, about nearly 150,000 people have lost their lives during this struggle. And I think that now it seems to me that here in Britain, the British Kashmiris have arrived at a consensus. And I'm pleased to be able to tell you that we want a peaceful solution at the end of the day of this country. Too much blood has been has gone into the streets of Kashmir, and I think it's still the people out there, they haven't been able to make any significant progress in this regard. Our aim is to persuade, first of all, the British Parliamentarians here in this country, and our population here is approximately now reaching 800,000 in Britain. And I think that that's a quite large segment of British society, and we are becoming the integral part of British society. And we want to strive for, as I said, an ultimate solution to this conflict through peaceful means. And that means that our struggle from now onwards will be based on using all the possible means at our disposal to promote justice and peace in both parts of the Kashmir land. But now John has gone, but I would have, probably if he had stayed here, I would have pointed out to him that there is no peace, as they say, without justice. So we've got to make sure that first thing is the justice prevails in that particular part of the world. And the people of Kashmir have been seeking and trying their best to find proper justice to their cause. And the cause is that they want exercise their the birthright of self-determination. So these are, I think, two main things I think we are trying to emphasize to the politicians of our country. Thank you.
Thank you. May I now